When you're angry, it feels like a mess. And the anger just twists and turns and continues to grow unless you stop. Take your brain outside. What looks like a mess and feels awful, terrible, is a growing and living thing, like the ice and the snow and the plants on the side of the road. It can come back to healthy, untangled, green, living things that just need time and a blue sky. Take your brain outside and walk in whatever pace you need, and look up and look out and get big. Take your brain outside. Go walk.